Hello, Burhan here. Today we are going to learn about elastic load balancer. Elastic load balancer. We are having the lab. Elastic load balancer. What it allows you to flow the traffic of the applications smoothly, so there's not so much problem causing in this incident. So therefore, what we got to do is we have to use elastic load balancer to ease the traffic going through the applications via network. So let's get into the so from our EC2 we'll launch an instance. Screen. Okay, so we'll have to create two instances, one of them Linux web server, and we use Amazon machine image Red Hat for these exercise purposes, and instant type T2 micro key pair. We can create one, or I've used the one I've already made. Network settings, we'll have to be careful here, and that's where we have to pay attention. Now we have to use VPC custom VPC, and subnet is custom VPC public 1 here. Public IP enable, and select an existing security group. You can select a Linux security group. There's no problem at all. So attention here, we have to go to advanced settings, and what we got to do here is we copy the code was given to us, or your teacher or by myself will be emailed to you. Sometimes you can write these yourselves as well. So paste the file here and launch an instance. Okay, so straight away we go to the instance, and we have Linux web server here initializing, and so second one will use this name Linux server 2, again Red Hat, instant type T2 micro key pair, same Red Hat. Network setting, pay attention here, again custom VPC, but this time custom VPC public 2 from the drop down menu. So we have two different availability zones. Select an existing security group, select a Linux security group, we've done earlier, and now again advanced settings here, click on advanced settings, user data. We'll have to get our user data again, but this time the second code, it'll be for the second server. Okay, copy that and paste that here and launch the instance. So that is how the parameters of the instance. So now let's get into the instance. instance running. Right. So now the purpose of this particular lesson, I have created instance running. So I'm going to delete the ones that we've just done and we'll use the ones I've done earlier. So this one and this one we need to delete. So I've terminated those. All I want is now the running instance, which is Linux server 1 and 1B, 1A, 1B. Right, straight away then we'll go into target groups. So click in the target groups, create a target group, and specific group details, instance, leave it as instance, IP4, and VPC here, we choose the custom VPC, and the health checks, advanced health checks, and because we've got two instances, healthy threshold to set it up the parameter to 2, and then go to next here, and then don't forget to add the name demo Burhan. Here now include pending. Right, so the instance are running, so click these, click on the instance and include pending below, create a target group. So we've created our target group. Then we go back to load balancers. Now we have to create a load balancer. Okay, and create an application load balancer, which is, and load balancer's name demo balancer. Burhan. Okay, internet facing IP4, choose here network mapping, custom VPC, and include these subnet security groups, Linux security group, get rid of the default one, and here listeners and routing, choose demo Burhan, and here create load balancer. So successfully created load balancer, we go back to it, we'll have to wait, go to the load balancers. Now the load balancer here is in provisioning state. We'll have to wait until this changes, like the 2x2 checks done. This can take a couple of minutes, we'll just wait. Okay, now demo balancer is active, so we copy DNS name, we go to instance, from here we'll open up a new tab, paste demo balancer name here. As you can see, IP92 internal is running, South 1A. So now I'm going to refresh. When I refresh, you can see South B1 is running. So our essentially everything we need to do is done. So we can access the both IP addresses from the same browser with one click. Thank you very much for watching this. Now we're gonna close everything down. Don't forget closing down. So go back to the load balancer. So click on that one and actions, delete the load balancer, confirm. Okay, target groups, delete the target groups, and going back to instance and delete the instance, both instance please, so that it doesn't charge. So right now we got the running ones, those two running ones, actions, instance, state, terminate, and delete the instance. Okay, so all done. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Any comments, please send it via usual channel. Any questions, all welcome.